In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use anchored text in TradingView so you can add notes directly on your chart that stay locked to specific price levels. First, open your chart in TradingView and look at the left-hand toolbar. This is where all your drawing tools are located. Now find the text tool, which looks like a small T icon, and click on it. From the options that appear, select Anchored Text. Next, move your cursor to the exact point on your chart where you want to place your note. This could be a support level, resistance zone, breakout area, or any important price point. Click once to place the anchored text. As soon as you click, a text box will appear. Type your note here, something short and clear like breakout zone, strong support, or watch for reversal. Once your text is added, open the settings to customize it. You can change the font size to make important notes stand out, adjust the text color for better visibility, and add a background color to make it easier to read. You can also enable text wrap if your note is longer so it stays clean and organized on the chart. The key advantage here is that anchored text stays fixed to that exact price level. Even when you scroll or zoom your chart, your note moves with the price, keeping your analysis consistent. And that's it. By using anchored text in TradingView, you can keep your chart clean, organized, and make your trading decisions more structured and easier to follow.